Hey guys, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are talking about the commenting what we are using in a PHP code. We have two types of comments. The first one is a multi-line comment and the second one is the single line comment, which is supported in a PHP. Comments take very important role in any programming language. If you are working with Java, Python, C++, PHP, Angular or anything like a JavaScript or any programming language. This is just because of if you are writing your code like 1,000 lines of codes, 10,000 lines of codes, 1 lakh lines of code or 10 lakh lines of code. Or you may say this is a 1 million line of codes. When you are watching your own code after 3 months, 6 months or after a long time, let's suppose a 1 year. So you don't have to understand your own code at that time or at that stage. Just because of there are two complex scripts what are using in a programming language. So at that time, comments take very important role. This will give you the complete understanding of your function, of your object, of your class or all of your program. Let's just see how we create the comments inside PHP. Here you will see that inside this body tag, here I'm just writing this PHP script tag, which is the opening script tag right here. I just write PHP right here. After writing PHP here, I have to firstly write a single line comment here. So you can see here this is single line comment. One another way, you have to write your single line comment like double backslash, and you can write here. Let's suppose I just write here this is single line comment 2. This means that this is the one other way to you have to write your single line comment. Now just turn to the multi-line comment. Here you have to write backslash, then asterisk sign. So you can see here this is multiple line, and here is write comment in PHP. When you are just closing this comment, simply write asterisk sign and then backslash. Okay, so this is one another way, or this is the multi-line comment what I am just writing here inside the PHP code. Then after that, you had seen that I just write echo, then here I just write that this is comment lecture or lesson. Then after that, I have to close this code with a semicolon, then question mark sign, and then close this code right here. Hope so you understand now that how we can write comments inside PHP, which is very simple. Hope so you understand now. So here you can see that I just go to the browser, and here I just check this output into the browser here. So I just write yes. So you can see here my code is running, no comment shown to me yet so far. Now just come back to this browser right here. Here in IDE or a text editor, you can see that PHP, same like C++, Java or any other programming language, this is also a case sensitive programming language. You can see here I just gave it the space between this. So you can see here I just remove this space, and then when you just go to the browser, refresh, so you can see here this is comment lesson or a lecture, which is very simple program what I'm just writing here, which is a PHP comments. Hope so you understand now that comments takes very important role in any programming language and how we can use these comments in PHP. If you find any of the problem regarding to this lecture, please let me know, and thanks for watching this lecture.